The flash of lightning, the sound of thunder, forever calling out your name. The great Jehovah, Yahweh, the I am, forever is the same. Turn darkness into light. I have felt your hand upon the stages of my life, moving oh so patiently to teach me what is right. Oh, Heavenly Father, teach me how to pray.